Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at once.
First up this evening, Jamaicans wishing to study in the USA are closely monitoring developments in that country.
Now, this comes as the Trump administration gave final notice of plans to implement stricter rules on foreign students, including preventing them from staying in the U.S. for more than 4 years unless they get permission from the federal government.
Now, the ability to switch programs and transfer between universities and colleges will also be restricted.
Until now, higher education's, Romardo Lyons has that story.
Fighting rampant visa abuse, strengthening national security through regular vetting. The Department of Homeland Security says that's the aim of the policy, which comes into effect in September 2026. Now, there's currently about 1.5 million international students studying in America, and the Association of International Educators has since described the new rules as misguided and unnecessary. Immigration attorney Xavier Francis.
This is a very significant change to the F1 visa program. For the past nearly 50 years, students could remain in the US for as long as their program existed. Under the new rule, that's going to be replaced with a fixed admission period that's capped at 4 years. So it creates an additional layer of immigration compliance that never existed.
Prior to the change, foreign students of F1 and J1 exchange visas were admitted to the United States on the duration of status. Many Jamaican students go to America yearly, the majority through tertiary scholarships. Those looking to take up such opportunities this academic year, what should they keep in mind?
My advice to students is not to panic, but to stay prepared, right? To track your expiration dates. Because each time you leave and re-enter the US, you're going to have an expiration date on your I-94. Track your expiration dates, track your program end date. If you believe that your studies will take longer than expected, be prepared to apply for an extension. Closely monitor your immigration status, speak with your designated school officials, and seek legal guidance if needed before extending your studies, changing your programs, or even traveling internationally.
The Homeland Security Secretary said, for decades, thousands of foreign students have been abusing its immigration system. It says,
by implementing clear, finite limits on these visas, the United States is reclaiming its ability to properly screen, vet, and monitor individuals within our borders. This final rule ensures that foreign students remain focused on their primary purpose, completing their studies and returning home.
Mr. Francis also warned that with the new policy, there can be hiccups that catch many students off guard and land them in trouble.
Anticipate government processing delays, additional fees, right? So it's really important to stay ahead. And if you do these things, you will be okay.
While most U.S. undergraduate programs are typically 4 years, graduate-level programs such as doctorates typically take longer to complete. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.